If you found this video, I truly believe it's meant for you.
So don't let it go to waste, okay?
Hi, I'm Nishi.
And I'm Naomi, and Medha Yoga truly changed our lives.
Wait, hear us out.
So I know what all of you guys are thinking, that that's a big statement to make. But let's take it from the start, okay? So it was a bright Sunday morning, and the clouds were out. I'm just kidding. It was a Sunday morning, just not very bright. I happened to check a WhatsApp message on this WhatsApp group that was created for a previous Art of Living course I did. Mind you, I never really checked this group, and I had various reasons not to. I was stressed, I was at school, I was doing a lot of things. Life was happening, and everything seemed fine. I was constantly running from one class to another, and I wasn't really taking care of myself. I remember feeling constant exhaustion and gloominess and tiredness. And while everything externally was going perfect, I was getting near perfect scores. I was supposed to be happy, and I wasn't. Internally, I was a mess. I was constantly unsatisfied, and I didn't know what was going wrong. And that's when I found Medha Yoga. I happened to join this group chat, and I happened to join the session, and that's when I first heard the words Medha Yoga. I remember feeling so intrigued by the description of the course that I wanted to join it, and it was practically impossible for me to join it at that time because I had so much other stuff going on. And magically, somehow, the course dates aligned, and I joined. And after that, my life changed. Like we have this funny saying that there is a life you do, there is a life you have before the course, and a life you have after it. And it's really magical. Like I remember thinking, I remember feeling so happy, and I was full of joy. I felt like this another level of happiness and contentment that I had not felt in a really long time. And I was constantly flowy, genuine joy, dancing, and it was really nice. And I think I was truly at peace with myself. And I think that's when Nishi came in. But like I can say I'm at peace with myself right now, and I know there are stressful days, but I don't really get stressed. It's hard to get stressed now. And yep, Nishi, that's when she
Yeah, I completely agree with her. Um, it's been a very different journey for me. I've never experienced something like this. Um, because we're twins, I feel like a lot of our struggles, a lot of our experiences are common, and like we've been through a lot of things together. So I saw how the course was changing her. I saw how it made her into this ball of happiness, I think. And it was just so amazing to see her that way because I've seen her before the course and I've seen her after it. So I know the difference and it really helps. And because I was curious, I wanted to try it out for myself. So that's what I did. I then all of a sudden I saw those changes in me and I was taken aback a bit. But that's what it does to you. And before the course, when I heard people compliment me, yeah, I used to listen to it, but not necessarily believe it in a way. I was a person who used to doubt. I used to self doubt. I was like my biggest critique, to be honest, and that's something that held me back for a lot of things in life that I could have done but didn't because of this reason. The course helped me go through all of these insecurities and different different problems that I was facing internally, along with the ones that Naomi mentioned. I felt a lot of the same things, and one big thing was that I couldn't sleep well, and I used to spend a lot of time thinking about how things could be, the future, and what things I did wrong and how I could correct them, like the past and the future a lot. And I used to miss out on the present. And I feel like um, the course really helped me be more aware of myself in that way, like thinking about the present more than the near future or the past, because the present is what you can really build. and which is in your hands. And yeah, through the course I've learned a lot of things like this. Just been an overall positive breath of air. And earlier days used to be chaotic, gloomy, unbalanced. I used to be a lazy, lethargic person, unmotivated. But because of the kriyas we've done and everything we've done along the course, it's really helped me to grow myself like that. I can say that I'm not as I don't really feel like that anymore. I've come out stronger than ever, and I've really, I'm sure you can see the changes too. And just
Absolutely.
that, yeah. And it's been a very nice journey for me, something I never expected it to be, but I'm happy I did it.
And something that both of us can say is that we made the right choice to do it. And we'd say that if you are presented with an opportunity like you are right now, don't give it a second thought.
I just say go for it.
You
You won't regret it.